This problem is a manufacturer quality control issue. So what happens is that rarely film goes into the cassette folded and gets crimped onto itself in the factory. What I mean by rarely is that I've had this happen 2 or 3 times since 1993. But all of those have been in the last 4 years. Unfortunately, this is not one of those things that you can prevent because it happens at the factory. In the exceedingly unlikely event that this happens with 35mm film, I was able to advance past it without issue. In fact, I didn't even realize it had happened until I loaded the film into the spool for developing. Unfortunately, with the 35mm film examples, these crimps caused the film to become dislodged in development and ruined the frame where the film was affected. With this, which is a 110 negative, I had a couple of frames where advancing the film through the camera was harder than normal. But otherwise, I didn't notice anything. I just maybe thought I was getting near the end of the roll until I got home and loaded it into the 110 reel. In 2 of the cases, one of the 35mm and this 110, the film came from lomography. In all of these cases, it's happened with lower end films. This is not something I've ever experienced with Kodak, Ilford, Fuji, or Foma. So you can prevent this exceedingly rare manufacturing flaw from happening simply by buying better films, or you can not lose sleep about it at all because, like I said, this has happened to me 3 or 4 times since '93, and I've easily shot more than 15,000 rolls of film in that time.